Welcome back to my channel, The View Vlogs. Hope you all are doing great. Today I am out after many days. So today I have come out for a walk. So right now I am at Krutunga restaurant at Panjagutta. So I'm waiting for my chicken biryani's order to arrive. I have also taken chicken fried piece biryani from Sri Kanya. So this Sri Kanya and Krutunga restaurant both are in the same lane at Panjagutta. Let me show you the ambience of this Krutunga restaurant at lockdown. How does it look? So this is the chicken fried piece biryani which I brought from Sri Kanya. Now I'm waiting for the chicken biryani which I have ordered at this Krutunga restaurant. Thank you. So finally both my orders has been arrived. Look at this. Both biryanis. It's very heavy. After many days I am vlogging. I am very excited and I have come out. Look at this today's special. Okay, let's go now quickly and I'll see you guys at home. So finally I am back home, guys. So I just opened this parcel. They were smelling delicious. So first I opened this chicken fried piece biryani from Sri Kanya. So this Sri Kanya is in Panjagutta, as I already told you. So price of this biryani is 240 rupees, including GST it's 252 rupees. So easily like one person can have this. Look at the quantity. Even two can have, it depends on you based on your capacity of eating biryani. So we Hyderabadis, we usually can finish off this. Single person can finish this happily. So let me taste this. Like my mouth started to water like by the smell itself. Basically they have added in the bottom fried piece chicken. On that they topped it with rice. So when we put it in the plate, it becomes like reverse, right? Fried piece comes on the top and rice in the bottom when we put this box onto a plate. So it smells great, guys. So this rice seems to be like usual Bagara basmati long grain rice. Oh, they have added lots and lots of curry leaves on the top. So let me taste this. Let me take a chicken as well. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So we got 5 chicken pieces. So let me quickly taste this chicken fried piece biryani from Sri Kanya and tell you how does it taste, especially in this lockdown. Let's taste the piece along with rice. So this is like bone fried piece biryani. Basically this biryani has a different flavor, guys. It's delicious. So if you visit Hyderabad, you can definitely try out this biryani from Sri Kanya. This curry leaves adds a very good flavor when I'm munching it out with this fried piece biryani. Spices are perfect, like it's manageable for me because I love spicy food. Rice is also very well cooked, guys. Let me try it with the gravy. So this is the gravy which they have given inside this pack. So let me put it. Gravy is like okay, this shorba is like average, not that great. But this fried pieces on the top along with this rice goes well. You don't have to order a starter separately because this is already a chicken fried piece topped on in biryani, right? So this would be a great deal if you would like to have rice, biryani rice along with some fried chicken pieces. You can go for this biryani. They have also given this raita. So let me also taste the raita. Well, I can see some onions and mint leaves inside. Also green chilies also they have added in the raita. Consistency looks great of this raita. So let me also tell you the price of this biryani. So basically I have taken family pack, chicken family pack. Price of this biryani is 525, including GST it's 551. So 3 to 4 members can have this family pack. So let me quickly taste this chicken biryani from Krutunga as well. These both outlets are in the same lane. So I thought of trying both biryanis. Let me try the piece. The chicken is very tender, guys. The piece has cooked very well. It's so soft and tender. And even the rice is good. Now if we say the spiciness of this Krutunga's chicken biryani is slightly higher than this Sri Kanya's chicken fried piece biryani. It's somewhat spicy, not that spicy, but it's manageable. With this Krutunga's family pack chicken biryani, they have also given a gravy, shorba. So let me try this gravy and tell you how does it taste. So this gravy looks different from this Sri Kanya's gravy. So I hope you can see this. Look at the consistency. Look at this gravy. It's slightly different, right? This is like orangish in color. And this one is somewhat like brown. I think they have also added coconut. I can smell that. Let me taste and tell you. This gravy is somewhat like brownish and black. Well, this gravy is little spicy, guys. Yeah. If you are a person who doesn't like to have spicy food, then you can skip this gravy. Instead, you can try this raita. Okay, let me show the consistency of this raita. Consistency is not that great. It's like watery. You can see this, right? But this Sri Kanya's raita is very good. It's tasty as well. I like that type of consistency in biryanis. So well, today it's like a biryani feast after so long. I'm enjoying. So they have also given onions and lemon as well. I like to have onions in biryanis. Now, after having biryani, Sprite is like mandatory, right? Even I have Coke, but I like Sprite more than Coke or Thumbs Up. So I'm having Sprite. Let me know which one you would like to drink after having tummy full of biryani. This is the real relief now. Now I want to sleep. After so many days I'm having biryanis, guys. So yeah, who doesn't like biryani? Especially you are from Hyderabad, you would love Hyderabadi biryanis. So in Hyderabad, Paradise is not only the famous biryani, guys. There are different types of biryanis. These two are also one among them. And even I'm going to do video after this lockdown of favorite biryanis in Hyderabad, which even you would love them. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram at hyderabadi.foodstuff. Also hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you'll get the notifications. And do not forget to like this video. See you with another vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.